meeny, miny. No. Me not choose. I go and drive with it 2 hours now. Half and half. You carry me halfway?
Yeah.
And you carry me halfway?
Yeah.
Let me just put the bag them back inside first, because them cause too much problem.
See the man work it out there.
See that? Hey, you're smart, huh?
So it work out long
Half
time.
and half.
Yeah, man. I salt and sugar.
So the man work it out. You see it?
See that? That day I hold there, papa. Like right here. Huh?
Remember, a man say half and half.
Yeah.
A man say half and half. You get 3 grand, you forget 2.
I'm going to get perfect.
You can't go out. What can the first half?
What a piece of mix-up. What a piece of drama. Oh, I see him night, you know. But it's a different day, I'm going to see this. Or probably same day, because remember me say we're going to start the 2 videos per day. The videos them so nice. You have to do it twice. Yeah, man. We eat oxtail and we cook it with rice. Me listen music. Me like music produced by Not Nice. Bruh. Anyways, as you can see, it's a IT and Fancy Cat show video. They wanna go nice, man, so just like a video from now. If you don't like a video from now, you bow. You say better like a video.
Can I get a beeper from Waterford going Phoenix Avenue, please? Beeper from Waterford going Phoenix Avenue.
2-0.
Who's that answering?
MacGyver.
Okay, make your way, 20, make your way.
Tell the passenger 10 minutes or less. 10 minutes or less, base.
Well, down the road from this man. Can knock off the little piece of food. Black, sit there. Yes, Mr. Boss, yes. Go to the neck, yeah. Man, I got fine. That fly out, that fly out. That fire there, the boss. That fly out. Fire to the king.
First, me get this man. You understand that first.
But the man not gonna come see me, my lad.
Me not see you.
You come see me.
Me not see you.
Go up to the brother, man. Boss,
Me not see you.
boss, the man not come see me. Come come see me. You come see me.
Where they turn out do ya? Hey, I want to me car. Where
Tell
you go?
Me not come see you there, so no.
All the while of them things, them kids. I run, come there. You don't come see me. You don't come see me.
Hey, you
come see me and take on the man's suitcase. I saw him go on.
Everton, what you do ya?
Me pick up passenger.
You know what on? Me call one taxi. Where you turn out do ya? Me not twin.
You want to take on passenger?
I am not your passenger.
The man is not your passenger,
But I made it be a sin.
but I'm his regular.
Are the first man see you?
You're the first person, but my regular.
Don't touch me. Only the hand and put me. Make no luggage. Hey, Tom and Jerry. No hand and put me. Make no luggage. Me say, only touch me. No, let me go, man. No hug. Then it's my decantation.
You don't want to
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
You swear I got to know. The man can't pick wood. The man can't choose. Oh, because a big man. Boss man. You choose. You choose.
Eeny, meeny, miny. No. Me not choose. I go and drive with it 2 hours now. Half and half. You carry me halfway?
Yeah.
And you carry me halfway?
Yeah.
Let me just put the bag them back inside first, because them cause too much problem.
See the man work it out there.
See that? Hey, you're smart, huh?
So it work out long
Half
time.
and half.
Yeah, man. I salt and sugar.
So the man
Yeah.
You see the face there? Half and half. Half and half. You don't know what happened just now. A trick, they ain't get trick. How is half and half gonna work? You're gonna drive beside the other taximan that he's in, and then when he reach halfway to his destination, you stop the car, you let him out, and then him go in your car. Jaja, IT and Fancy Cat, a real jam, man. But I ain't get my idea if you put them a show out for you. Boy, I like them say, but not in a lie. I know say you like it. I know say you laugh right now. I know say you say, look, stop it talking, the man. But anyways, just like your video. Remember, if you don't like your video from now, yeah, bow.
you see it?
See that? That day I hold there, papa. Like right here. Huh?
Remember, a man say half and half.
Yeah.
A man say half and half. You get 3 grand, if you get 2.
I'm going to get tougher.
You can't go out. What carry him the first half?
When I don't know me, I carry him.
No, then we have to organize what carry him the first half.
Well, me I carry him the first half right down when I got you carry him the second half for come back. That's a nice thing there.
I go and wait till the money then. Butter!
When
Be a mask to the airport more now.
Remember the taxi there, I missed a flight.
I can't realize you hamster. Look how long we're out.
Good look a bit over
Hey man, no, come again, star.
You know, yeah. 2 hours, huh? So, no.
2 hours there, no. Them thing I try to show you in a star. That me I try to show you, star. Cause a year fault, you know. You know, it's a year for come. Me get the base, me come here so early, me come here so, cause me the base then. And show you know year. You know year. I say me, I bet we work together, star.
You know
I say we
what?
not get to work, you know.
Wait.
It's because you know a year.
Why you not just do what we always do?
Do what? Do nothing, man. Do.
Buy me a 2 cup of soup. I'm gonna put a big tail in there. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Dada. Sade. Him gone and me alone now. Sade. You miss your flight.
So the passenger trick both of them, and then them start fight. IT fancy can say, you know what? The boy and me alone love food, you know, because me got big. The boy I love food too. Where go buy 2 soup? See how fast he drive off. But poor fancy cat don't know, say man in there just asleep. The boss call the airline and changing ticket already. Jaja, IT and fancy cat show, man. I best. Anyways, hope you like the video. Yo, John, if you watch the Ninja Man video and you like it, let me know. But boy, they ain't do me bad for the Ninja Man video. Hey, YouTube, you can't study them in a star. You can't study them at all. That's why I'm asking if you like the video, because today, them promote your videos, then recommend your videos, and then tomorrow, you do one little tweak, and you do, what you call it, comedy from when? I say, yo, have a drop a Ninja Man video at least once a week. So I drop a Ninja Man video. And YouTube say, youth, you can't just switch. So you gonna do play, or you do Ninja Man video, or you do regular videos. Where you do youth? Not even a view. But anyways, me appreciate who they are so right now. Or watch me around me right now. Yeah. Thanks. What is that? Thanks for watching, and just continue to support the channel. Me appreciate it. Like the video. Stay safe.